cheap domain name offers. You can get domain up to 99% off, hosting an email up to 95% off, web security up to 95% off, group hoop up to 64% off. So this is Black Friday deals that you cannot mix. Okay, so I just get all these deals just to share with my cherished viewers. Okay, and all that you have to do is that over here you have to simply come in and apply the promo code. Okay, so this is the promo code that you have to apply when you are purchasing your domain. Okay, by simply clicking on it to copy, and then over here you can come and then check the one that you prefer. Okay, so we have a dot online and then it is 99% off. We have a dot shop also, it is 99% off. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come and then type in the domain that you prefer. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can do it. Okay, so let's say if you want a dot shop, you can come and then click on it. It's going to bring you right here, and then you can simply come and then type in the preferred one. Always add the dot shop to it, okay, just like this, and then hit on the search. So it is going to come just like this. So as you can see, it is available, and then to purchase it, you have to come and then click on add to cart, and then over here you can see that it has been added to cart. Come and click on checkout, and then from here you see that you have the total amount, and then come and then paste the promo code just like this. So this is the promo code, paste it in, then come and click on apply. Okay, so you have to first come and then sign up, or you have to sign in if you have an account already. I'm having a link of the platform, the video description. It's an affiliate link. Click on it, it's going to bring you right here.